Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am flying out to London this evening, so I thought I would film a pack with me type of video. Many of you have requested this. Many of you have also asked me to share what type of travel luggage I use, how do I pack so lightly, because I do pack light, and what other essentials do I bring. So I'm a little bit rushed at the moment, but I'll show you as much as I can. So this is my go-to carry-on luggage, and it's from a brand called DELSEY. I don't know if you can see down there, DELSEY, D-E-L-S-E-Y. I have a few from DELSEY, and it's because back a few years ago I did a ton of research and I found them because they're supposed to be really durable and lightweight. It was like the perfect balance for me. I don't like heavy rolling suitcases because I got to be able to pick it up and put it overhead when I'm by myself, and like this trip I'm traveling out there by myself and then I'll meet some friends out there. So the design on the inside is also really smart, and you've got this zippered compartment, and then I also use that little zippered compartment for some of my items as well. So here we go. I'm going for just a few days, so I'm going to pack only my essentials, and let's get started. The key is to put your items in as flat as possible. I know a lot of people use those packing cubes. I don't use those. A lot of people also roll their clothes, which you can do in the corners, but generally speaking, laying flat makes for much more efficient packing. This is a pretty plush, cushy pair of pajamas that you guys convinced me to get because so many of you raved about this company, Barefoot Dreams. I'll show you. Whether it be a blanket or a robe or pajamas, they're so soft and cushy. So I'm going to put these in at the bottom. I usually put the stuff that I don't care are going to get wrinkled on the bottom, and I also put the heavier items on the bottom just for weight distribution. So far, lots of neutrals, right guys? I know I'm gonna bring one pop of color, but I'm a neutrals gal. But I think this soft lavender sweater will look cute with either blue jeans or my white jeans. Now time to fill the space. I'm gonna put my glasses, prescription glasses, my sunglasses. You see, I make these little pockets on purpose. Okay, and this is my go-to carry-on tote, which I use as my personal item, and it's quite large and very roomy, and many of you have asked me, have I ever been stopped in the airport for this being too big? Like, you know, they say you have to check it. No. So I use this rolly carry-on, and then I use this tote right on top, and no one has stopped me ever on domestic flights or international flights. So again, it's quite roomy. You can also fold it up and pack it in this pouch that it comes with. I use this usually for my liquids, my toiletries, but you can pack it up in here and just throw it in your suitcase and use it as an extra bag. So if you do some shopping on your trip, on your way back, you'll have a really easy tote bag. It's really nicely lined for moisture and odor control. It's sturdy but thin and lightweight, and it's wipeable because it's nylon. I love that it has this luggage sleeve. This is a really good value. It's like $100. It's the best travel tote I've ever used, and it's got really generous strap length here, so you can throw it over your shoulder or you can just carry it, but it's not too long if you just carry it. So it's versatile. It's really smartly designed, and they make multiple different colors. So everything that I show you that I'm recommending, I'll try to link down below so you can find it easily, but whatever doesn't fit in my suitcase is going in here. And then let me show you this one here. This is from Dagny Dover. This is my favorite jewelry case, favorite jewelry travel case. So it opens like this with a chunky zipper. You guys know I love the chunky zippers. It's designed to have all these little compartments and hooks and holes and rings. You can put your rings over here. I've never seen a travel case this small that is so smartly designed on the inside with so many compartments. See, there's my ring right there. So this, I put my stud earrings. You pull it out and you can just put the stud earring through and close up the backing. This is my favorite part. You open it up. I usually put my bracelets. So you tell me if you find a better designed, small, compact jewelry case like this. Let me know in the comments, because this is the best one I found, and I think it was like $60 or something. So look at it. It's basically smaller than my hand. It's made of nylon. It comes in this color and a black color and maybe one other. I love this. So that goes in. Let me show you. Actually, I want my jewelry back. Okay. I feel naked without my jewelry, so I need it back when I'm filming. By the way, the sun is picking up all the little flecks and making everything look gross. Let me show you these here, my all-time favorite Korean face masks. Because my skin gets dried up in the airplane. Airplane air is so icky. I'm obsessed with Korean face masks, but this is the best. And then I have these. These are Japanese heat stickers. So I want to dress kind of light and be comfortable, not have to wear thick layers or coats or whatever, even though it is a little chilly. So I usually bring these when I travel during like chillier months. It's basically just a little sticker. You tear it open. I'm not going to do it now because it'll activate it. You tear it open. There's a little sticker. You peel it off. You stick it to the inside of your shirt, not on your skin, but the shirt or camisole that is closest to your skin. You put it on that fabric and immediately it starts to heat up. Within an hour, it's pretty toasty and it stays warm for a full day, 24 hours. And it feels like you've got this little heater on you, so you don't have to wear as many layers and you don't have to be so bulky. And then let's talk about, so normally I take my Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch, but if you saw my last video, you guys know I got this beautiful Dior beauty gift set. I didn't realize it is pretty much the exact same silhouette and size as the Louis Vuitton one. You can see, right? It's really nice. This is such a good value. So this came with the lipstick and the lip plumper. I'm giving one away if you watch my last video. I'm doing a giveaway. If you want to enter to win, be sure to check out that video. So I've actually transferred my essentials, my makeup essentials from here to here because I like this. It's so soft and cuddly. I want to bring this one. And basically I always use the Beauty Blender sponge. And since I don't want to bring the one I've been using, I'm going to just bring this sample where you put it in the water and it'll expand, but it's basically the same thing, Beauty Blender. It's really great for blending your makeup. This one, I'll try to show you in the order in which I put stuff on. So after I do all my washing and lotions and all of that, I then do this one here, which you guys have probably seen on my channel before. It's the MD Solar Sciences Sunblock SPF 50, the bomb. It has 17% zinc oxide. I've not seen any other sunblock on the market that has this much zinc oxide, which, if you don't know, helps to prevent sunspots and freckles. It's really protective. And then after that, I put this one, the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. This has SPF 25 in it, so it's a little extra if you want, or if you don't want to use sunblock, just use this. So this is a new formulation, but I've been using this product for over 10 years. This new formulation has like this sort of shimmer to it. It's called the Natural Skin Illuminator Light Revealer, and I honestly thought it was going to be just too shimmery, and I don't like that, but it's very subtle, and it just gives my skin a little bit of that kind of glossy glow. And I am wearing the porcelain color 1W1. And then sometimes I wear concealer, and when I do, this is my all-time favorite. I used to use the Nars Concealer, but this is better, from Bobbi Brown, and it's just this really creamy texture. Never creases or dries out my under eyes. It's really nice to brighten under my eyes when I'm a little bit tired. And the one that I use is a warm ivory. This was recommended by the Sephora associate, and I was almost going to ignore her because I was like, I use the Nars one. I don't need it, but love this so much. And then for my eyebrows, I use this one from Benefit. It's Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I've talked about this before. This is just a normal pencil that you use to fill in your brows. This is the magic here. Something about this brush, you can fill in your brows as messy as you want, and then when you brush it out with this, it just kind of evenly distributes the color and makes my eyebrows look fuller and neater and nicer. And I use the color 4.5. Yes, 4.5. It's like a dark brown. It's really flattering on my skin tone. This is just a lash brush. Here is my favorite Baccarat Rouge 540 travel size. It comes in a set of 3, but I'm just going to bring this one. It's perfect for travel. Like I said, I'll link everything down below if I can, so you don't have to go hunting. This is the lip glow that I got with the cosmetic pouch in the gift set. It's brand new, pink 001. I love this product. I've used a different color in the past. And this is the Hyaluronic lip plumper. We all know hyaluronic acid is our friend when it comes to just overall hydration for our skin. And this is just an extra contact lens because I wear contacts. All right, so that is it for my daily kind of basic makeup. But I'm also going to bring this pouch here, which I actually have to take some items out because there's too much in here. I don't need it all. This is from the Chanel Holiday Beauty Gift Set last year. It's kind of rough though. It's like a raffia material. This is so much nicer, I have to say. So yeah, I'm going to take some of this stuff out. But this one is my go-to bronzer from Hourglass. And then this one is an ancient blush that I got from Chanel. It's been so long. It's been lasting me forever. And then a brush. And that's it. So I'll try to consolidate. If not, I'll bring these two. And then let me talk about more face stuff if you're interested. So after I wash my face in the mornings, this is the first thing that I allow it to touch my skin. This is the Laneige Cream Skin. Again, I've talked about this forever. Toner and moisturizer in one. It's just really soft and creamy, and it's good for sensitive skin, which is like mine. And then after this, this is like the only bougie skincare that I have right now. So it's the Skinceuticals, vitamin C, E, and ferulic acid. It's kind of expensive, but it's a cult favorite, and everyone around me was swearing by it. And so I finally caved a few weeks ago, and I've been using it. And yeah, I'm using it. So that goes on. And then I used to use the Cerave hyaluronic acid, which is actually really good, but I ran out. So then I decided to try this one because someone at the spa recommended it and she had amazing skin. So I was like, all right, I trust you. So I ordered this off of Amazon. It's hyaluronic acid. Apparently, according to her, it's like more pure hyaluronic acid than other formulations. And so far, I really like it. So I'm a few weeks into this, so that goes on. And then I am not really big into eye creams. I'm kind of lazy, but I have been using this for a while now, and I like it. It's Clinique. It's light. It's fragrance-free. It's, good for sensitive skin. It doesn't bother me. So I've been putting this on morning and night. And this is my daily moisturizer. This is kind of new, not that new. You can see I've been using it. I picked this up at Sephora. Really great reviews. It's from the outset. Apparently they use more clean ingredients, which I like, and it feels really good. I tested it at Sephora on my hands, and immediately I saw like my hands just looked a little bit nicer, and I was like, oh wow, it really does capture the moisture. So I like this. I've been using this during the day. Now in the evening I use this and I love it. It's the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. I just started using this like a month ago, and it is so thick and creamy. And again, it's perfect for sensitive skin. It doesn't clog your pores. It's, what's that word? Non-comedogenic or whatever. And it's really good. It's really good. So I highly recommend. I'm telling you, CeraVe is like totally underrated because it's a drugstore brand, but they have great stuff. By the way, in the daytime, if I want a little bit more of that glow, I do use this Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I've had this for a while and I'm almost out. I do like it. You just need like half a pea size, tiny bit. And I just put it in like little spots around my face, and it definitely gives me that extra glow, kind of like that wet dewy look. So if you like that. And I'm not bringing this one, but I use this also interchangeably in the mornings. So sometimes if I don't use this, if my skin is already feeling pretty hydrated in the morning, then I'll also put on this. Or instead, I'll put on this, which is the Lineage Radiant C, and it's an essence. It's a brightening essence with vitamin C. It like evens your skin tone and softens it. So it kind of does like a similar job, these two. So I don't need both at the same time. For the purposes of this trip, I'm going to take this because I know I need a little bit more hydration. And because it's big, I'll pour it into a small travel size bottle. The other thing is, wow, look at this mess. So my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. This is the Noshinku hand sanitizer. I love this one in the eucalyptus scent. I love the packaging really because it's so slim, and they use clean ingredients, so it's not like harsh on your skin. And then I've got some more bits and bobs in here that I don't think you'll care about. Band-Aids, extra lipstick, hand lotion, stuff like that. And then normally when I travel with my family, I will use this, which is from Dress Up Your Purse. It's this beautiful envelope pouch, and I've got passports in here. But because I'm flying out solo this time and I'm just meeting my friends out there, I've just put my passport in a handbag, and I'm not going to bring this, but generally this is like definitely one of the things that come with me on all of our travels. And this, I think I mentioned earlier, favorite, Slip Silk hair ties. I think I mentioned, yes, I did in my Q&A video, because I got so many questions about my hair and hair care, and then you probably learned I don't really do much for my hair. I do tie it up with these in the morning, and then when I pull it out about hour later, I get that natural kind of wave, slight curl at the end, which you guys have been asking me about. This is great. because not only does it feel nice, it's really soft, it's silk, but the silk helps to prevent creating indents or creases in your hair. So a lot of times when you tie your hair up and you pull out the hair tie, there's an indent, which I despise that. So I do it with this, and then after an hour or so, I pull it out and there's no indent, just nice little beautiful waves and curves. So that is a must. I'm going to bring that, and I'm wearing the other one in my hair right now. Okay, I know you're wondering, like, okay, this is all great, but which handbag is she bringing? I don't know, important stuff here, people. Yes, so I'm bringing my Celine Trio. It's the navy color, lambskin, large size. This is really easy to pack because it lays flat, but also it's just really easy when I'm sitting with it on the airplane, and it's discreet. It's not screaming designer, so it feels kind of secure. I have my silk, yeah, see, slip silk, sleeping mask, eye mask for the airplane because I'm flying red eye. I've got my Louis Vuitton small kirigami pouch, and in here is my passport and my itinerary. And then I've got my coin purse, which has the old school earbuds in here because I don't do AirPods, you guys. I can't stand them. And then what do I have in here? Oh, I always have a notebook and a pen because I like to write a lot and take notes. And if I have ideas for new YouTube videos, I'll be jotting them down in the airplane. So this, and then I want to bring another handbag. I'm not sure which one. I was debating bringing this little Gucci cutie, which I know I owe you guys an in-depth review, and I'm going to do that. I'll show you what fits inside. I'll compare it with other bags. I'll weigh it. I'll do everything. But I'll do that when I'm back. So I was going to do this one, but it's kind of mini and it's perfect for local running around with my bare essentials. But for travel, I do have a pocket Wi-Fi I'll be using, which is pretty much the same size as my phone. So it's essentially like having two large phones packed in here that won't leave a lot of room for other things. So I think I'm going to leave this one home, even though I thought it would be perfect because it's really hard wearing. It's really durable, and I know it's going to rain out there, so this would hold up fine. But I think I need something a little bit bigger. I am contemplating bringing this one here, which is the Porcelain number 9 mini, only because it goes with every outfit. It's super cute, and it has that crossbody strap. It feels very secure. I don't think a lot of people can get in and out of here, even in crowded areas, so that'll be fine. And also, I have gotten caught in the rain here in New York several times wearing this bag, and because of this like really durable grainy leather, I've noticed like if I just wipe it off, it's fine. It doesn't get damaged in the rain. So that's one of the reasons why I'm thinking about bringing this, but I feel like then it's like two dark colored bags, so I'm not sure. Then I'm thinking maybe I bring my Chanel Walk, give it a little bit of a light color, beige filigree with black. I don't know. Or do I just go with this So Easy, my pochette accessoire, right? So easy. It's got a chain on the inside. I can also bring the strap, the cotton strap that I have. I mean, I have options, so I will figure it out, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I kind of rushed through it. I tried to show you as much as I could. Like I said, I will link everything down below, at least everything I can find. And if you're interested in entering this giveaway, the Dior gift set, be sure to check out my previous video, and then I'll see you all when I'm back. Bye-bye!